Hey guys, so today is December 26th, the day after Christmas, and basically all of today I've been working on a couple of changes for my portfolio website. As of right now, this is what I've got on my localhost. It's not up on a deployed version of my website, but what I wanted to add was a list of tasks that are kind of our progress, and I've also added a recent completed section as well. And then all this gets translated to a heat map, very similar to the GitHub commit heat map. So the idea with this was I wanted to give a little bit more personality to my portfolio. Right now it's very bland. There's nothing much on it other than like the usual tech stack and experience that you would see on a regular portfolio. I just wanted to add a little bit more personality. I'm big into productivity. I'm very big into gamification. And so I thought I would just showcase the world what I've been working on in terms of entrepreneurship, schoolwork, startups, coding tasks, literally anything and everything in my life. So all that's left is to change out this placeholder now playing widget of an actual list that I actually listen to. So the tool that I'm using, it's called Sanity CMS. It is a headless CMS. I honestly don't really have a good explanation for it, but reading from Google, it is a beautiful custom place to build, write, and edit and organize information for pretty much anything. So the way I use it, I pull in information about a specific blog post from Sanity and I display it on my website. So instead of just hard coding each blog post every time I want to add something, I just go ahead and create a new post inside of Sanity, and then it populates it right into my portfolio webpage. And so with Sanity, I am going to just every day at the end of the night just input all the tasks that I've done within Sanity and mark them off completed, and so that's how they're going to get synced up on the main page of my portfolio page. Hey guys, it is December 27th, 2 days after Christmas. Today I pretty much finished up the widgets I wanted to implement on my portfolio website, those being the now playing widget and the to-do list / heat map activity widget. So as you can see here, I have a now playing widget that is fully functioning. It doesn't actually pull in my now playing from my Spotify. I actually don't listen to music on Spotify. I listen to Apple Music, so this is just a placeholder for some of my favorite songs. For the to-do list and heat map activity widgets, I went ahead and fixed a couple of UI bugs in terms of when tasks would get marked completed in Sanity. I feel like one of the more difficult things to work with in software development is time zones, so happy that I was able to figure that out. So as you can see with the website, it's not the best, it's not the worst, it's pretty much vibe coded, but I feel like I can get a lot better output when it comes to vibe coding my website if I were to go off of a Figma design. But before I get into Figma, I have to learn how to pretty much design a website in terms of best principles, spacing, and everything. So as for the Sanity schemas, I pretty much have 3 for my portfolio website so far. So I have one for blog posts, to-do items, and I have another one for songs. Hey y'all, it is the next day, the 28th, I believe. Is it the 28th? Let me see. It is the 28th. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, as you can tell. I had some ideas for my website that I wanted to implement right away. And so I went ahead and started working, and I fell into this big hole of wanting to do a lot of things at once. And I think it's good. I think it's very ambitious of me. I'm at the age where ambition is very abundant, but I feel like I'm at that point right now today that I don't think I'm able to spit out more changes for my portfolio website. And so I'll go ahead and show you what I've done so far, what I've set up in regards to improving my workflows with AI. So for my website, I'm just going to full screen this. So this is what I have set up so far. So if I go ahead and refresh, I've added this hero image that kind of represents me. So the way I have it set up right now, I think the background hero image is messing with the legibility of the text, and so I have to figure out some ways to fix that. But as I scroll down, the hero image opacity goes down, and I still have all of my widgets, and I have some pretty cool animations going on. So I probably want to replicate these buttons to all of the other widgets just so I can make it more personalized to me. But that's what I've got going on so far. In terms of AI workflows, if I just go to my other monitor here, I have Codex and Claude code in my Cursor IDE. I'm a big GUI user, so I did set that up inside of Cursor. I did use the CLI tools for a while, but I just found that I like this a lot better. I'm not a cracked Vim user, so I just like my GUI stuff. But I think my workflow going forward is for any changes that I want to implement, I'm going to go ahead and create these work trees for all the branches. Of course, each branch work tree is going to have its own feature just so everything can work in parallel. Again, the only con to this is that I'm doing all this code review on the changes that the AI outputs, and I'm hitting this, again, code fatigue, this burnout. But I think moving forward, I'm only going to scope out not too many features for a day, if that makes sense. So there's 20 things I want to implement. Maybe I'll only pick 2 or 3 per day just so I'm not reviewing as much code. But so far we're looking good on the website. It has come a long way since November when I initially set up this website, so very happy with it. Just gotta continue grinding. And then in the midst of everything, I've been filming these small clips just so I can fill my devlog video up. So that's kind of been my workflow. I feel like with school coming up in about 2.5, 3 weeks or so, I'm gonna have to slow down on all this creative work on the side. But I still want to get these YouTube videos out. I'm not sure what it's going to look like in terms of what content is going to be in those videos, but I guess I'll go ahead and figure it out along the way.